Hi there. So you want a VPN on your Apple TV 4. You might want that. You might want to watch Now TV abroad. You might want to watch lots of other good apps, BBC iPlayer abroad. And you can't do it because you're abroad and you need to be in the UK, so you need a VPN. You've gone through all the settings, you can't find anywhere to install a VPN, you can't find anyone that does a VPN. That's because there is no settings. The only Apple product that doesn't have a VPN setting, but there is a way around it. And it's very simple. It's a couple of clicks and it's wait for the postman. This is my router. The one in the bottom and the little white box on the top is a MikroTik VPN router. Now I've got this from the guys at Lamnia. They fully configure it with MikroTik and Lamnia VPN. So you plug it by Ethernet into your router and you power it. Some routers will even allow you to power it from the router. Once that's done, it will create a Wi-Fi network and a LAN network that's UK based. That means all the UK based apps on the Apple TV will work for you. You'll have a UK based Wi-Fi network in your home or office, and it's very simple. There's a link in the description below. It's the Lamnia VPN router. They did the configuration with MikroTik themselves, so it's a seamless operation. It's plug and play, and that's how you get a VPN on Apple TV.